you will sit down. Stand up muna. Stand up muna. Stand up muna. 1. Are you ready? Wait lang. Si teacher magka-count. 1, 2, 3. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Very good. Oh, sit down na, Alia. Oh, sit down, baby. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Yes. Oh, sit properly. Dali. Sabi ni Mr. Policeman, sit properly daw. Look. Oh, dali, dali. Sit properly. 1, 2, 3. Hey, oh, I saw the bird, oh. Oh, I will give a star later, no? And who will say lollipop later? Oh, sige. Oh, I will give a lollipop later. Dali, dali. I will give a lollipop later. You like a lollipop? You like a lollipop? Oh, sit down, baby. Sit down, sit down. 1, 2. Oh, dali. Who wants a lollipop? Oh, sleep yan, sleep. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, Priya, Priya. Oh, A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. Letter E, envelope. F, fire. Letter G, guitar. Sit down, sit down. Letter H, Sabrina, sit down. H, house. Letter I, letter J, juice. Letter K, kettle. Letter L, lock. Oh, come on. M, mango. You say K, kettle. Letter L, lock. Letter M, mango. Oh, one by one, okay? Oh, stand up, Sabrina. Stand up. Letter Letter B. Letter C. Letter D. Letter envelope. Letter F. Letter G. Letter H. Yes, letter A. Letter J. Yes, juice. Letter K. Kettle. Letter L. Lock. Letter M. Yes, high five. Great job. Louder. Letter B. Yes, letter K. Yes, letter D. Wow, letter E. Envelope. Letter F. Yes, letter G. Yes, letter H. Yes, letter Letter J. Yes, letter K. Kettle. Letter L. Good. Kettle. Letter L. Lock. Letter M. Mango. High five. Great. A. Letter B. Letters K. Letter. Yes, letter envelope. Letter fire. Letter G. Guitar. Letter H. Yes, letter ink. Letter J. J, J. Letter K. K, K. Kettle. Letter S. Lock. Lock. Letter M. M. Yes, high five, great job. Wow. Okay. Letter B. 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 Ball. Letter C. K. K. Letter D. Ah, dito baby, dito. D. D. Do. Yes. Letter